With the 188th pick in the 2016 NFL Draft, the Minnesota Vikings select David Morgan, tight end, Texas San Antonio.
All right, UTSA getting some love right now with the 6'4", 262-pound tight end from Marble Falls. What is that, Lance? Due west of Austin, I believe.
Yes, it is. And you see that 40-yard dash, probably why he fell a little bit of 5.02, not very impressive. But he does have some athleticism. He can go up and get the ball. He can go. He'll make a lot of good ball adjustments. And he is a competitive sucker. Now, he'll also block you a little bit. I'm not sure he's going to be a tight end. I think he might be more of an H-back type of, a move tight end with some blocking potential. I think that's who David Morgan is, but he is a real combat catcher as well.
What we do in draft rooms, we categorize those guys. Your normal tight ends are called Ys. Your guys that move around, that we play off the line of scrimmage, put them in motion, split them out, those are your H's. So when Lance alludes to the fact that he may be an H, he may be an H, but is used as a wham blocker and occasional receiver out the backfield for a physical team. I think this is a nice pick for them.